Hey, Justin here from KneeRover.com, and today we're going to assemble your KneeRover Pro. Alright, to assemble your KneeRover Pro, what you'll need is these two front axle bolts, tie rod hardware, which is the bolt, 4 washers, and the nut, your knee pad locking pin. You'll need your 8/10 millimeter wrench, and then the Allen wrench. All right, so step number 1 is installing the front axle. You want to make sure that these welded on nuts here are pointed towards the bottom. You're just going to open these wheels up and then set the frame of the scooter onto the front axle, aligning it up with these holes. You'll take your front axle bolts, just put them in the hole here and screw them in hand tight. We'll come back here in just a minute and tighten them up with the Allen wrench. And to finish it off, let's just snug it up. All right, so step number 2 is to install the tie rod hardware. We're going to go ahead and take the tie rod bolt, put it in the square hole first, and you'll take a washer, put it on the black plate, and you'll do another washer, and then the other tie rod, and you'll do 2 washers, and then the nut. Go ahead and screw that on hand tight. We'll grab the wrench to tighten it on up. This will be the 10 millimeter setting. All right, if you get it over tightened, just back it off about half a turn so you get a little bit of movement in there. All right, so step number 3, we're gonna go ahead and fold the steering column up. So what you're gonna do is pull this little lever over, column up, release, and then take this clamp, pull it up into that groove there and clamp it down. All right, so step number 4, we're gonna go ahead and install the knee pad. Just drop this down here in the hole. You're gonna take your knee pad locking pin, find your desired height, put it through the frame there, and secure it on the other side. We're going to take this clamp right here and clamp it around. So step number 5 is installing the handlebars. What we're going to do is just go ahead and put this in the hole here and secure it on down. Find your desired height and then clamp this lever over. And that concludes the assembly of our KneeRover Pro scooter. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us at 877-737-9877, or you can email us at help@kneerover.com. Thanks for choosing KneeRover.